Hi, I am Dr. David Fitzwilliam, and I believe prevention is better than a cure. Today, we will be discussing about 10 natural ways to conquer body pain and reclaim your mobility. Body pain, whether chronic or occasional, can significantly impact your daily life. While conventional treatments exist, natural approaches offer long-term relief, without side effects. Here are 10 effective strategies to manage pain and restore mobility holistically. 1. Embrace low-impact movement and regular exercise, increases blood flow, delivering oxygen and nutrients to muscles and joints. It also triggers endorphins, the body's natural pain reliever. According to the CDC, physical activity can reduce pain and improve function in people with arthritis. Low-impact exercises like walking, swimming, yoga, and Tai Chi can enhance flexibility and strength while minimizing strain. 2. Acupuncture for pain relief. Acupuncture stimulates specific points in the body, influencing pain pathways and promoting endorphin release. Research published in the Archives of Internal Medicine supports acupuncture's effectiveness for chronic pain, including back pain and osteoarthritis. Seek a licensed acupuncturist for safe and effective treatment. 3. Healing therapies. Massage, chiropractic, and osteopathy hands-on therapies help realign the body, relieve muscle tension, and improve mobility. The American Massage Therapy Association highlights massage benefits for pain relief and circulation. Chiropractic adjustments and osteopathic treatments can also alleviate back, neck, and joint pain. Choose a certified practitioner for optimal results. 4. Heat and cold therapy. Heat soothes tight muscles and improves circulation, while cold therapy reduces inflammation and numbs acute pain. Research in the Journal of Physical Therapy Science supports heat therapy for chronic back pain. Alternate between heat and cold packs for 15 to 20 minutes, or take warm Epsom salt baths for relief. 5. Mind-body techniques for pain. Make relaxation techniques crucial. Studies show that mindfulness meditation, deep breathing, and guided imagery help reduce chronic pain perception. Practicing yoga or progressive muscle relaxation can improve overall well-being and mobility. 6. Lifestyle modifications for pain-free living. Healthy habits reduce pain risk and enhance overall health. Maintaining a healthy weight decreases joint strain, while adequate sleep supports tissue repair. An anti-inflammatory diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats, helps combat chronic inflammation. Avoid processed foods, excess sugar, and alcohol. 7. Essential oils for natural pain relief. Certain essential oils have analgesic properties. Peppermint oil's menthol cools and numbs pain, lavender oil calms and reduces inflammation, and frankincense oil aids in reducing joint discomfort. Dilute essential oils before applying them topically or use them in aromatherapy for relaxation. 8. Stay hydrated. Proper hydration keeps joints lubricated and muscles functioning optimally. Dehydration can cause muscle cramps and heighten pain sensitivity. Drink plenty of water throughout the day and increase intake during physical activity. 9. Maintain proper posture. Poor posture contributes to back, neck, and joint pain. Ergonomic adjustments to workstations, mindful sitting habits, and regular posture checks can prevent strain. Using supportive furniture and stretching regularly can further enhance spinal health. 10. Gradual progression in physical activity. Overexertion can lead to injuries and increased pain. Slowly increasing activity levels allows the body to adapt. Listen to your body, progress gradually, and rest when necessary. Final thoughts. Managing pain naturally requires a holistic approach by combining movement therapy, nutrition, and mindfulness. By adopting these strategies, you can reduce discomfort, improve mobility, and enhance overall well-being and reclaiming a pain-free, active lifestyle. Please like and follow Dr. David Fitzwilliam on TikTok. Also subscribe to Dr. David Fitzwilliam YouTube channel so I could bring more facts for healthy body and healthy mind.